Cats have an extraordinary sense of hearing, far surpassing that of humans and even dogs in certain aspects. This incredible auditory ability has evolved over thousands of years, making them skilled hunters and highly perceptive companions. Their ears, often overlooked as just a cute feature, are actually complex tools designed for survival, communication, and even emotional expression. Here are 5 awesome facts about cat hearing that reveal just how remarkable these animals are. One of the most fascinating aspects of feline hearing is their ability to detect an incredibly wide range of sounds. While humans can hear frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz, and dogs can hear up to around 45,000 Hz, cats have a hearing range that extends from about 48 Hz to an astonishing 85,000 Hz. This means that cats can hear ultrasonic sounds that are completely undetectable to human ears. This ability is crucial for wild cats that rely on hunting small prey, such as mice and rats, which communicate in ultrasonic frequencies. Even domestic cats, despite being well fed by their human companions, retain this ability and will often react to sounds that seem non-existent to us. If you've ever seen your cat suddenly perk up and stare at a seemingly empty corner of the room, it's possible they've just picked up on a sound you can't hear. Another mind-blowing fact about cat hearing is their ability to move their ears independently. Unlike humans, who must turn their heads to better hear sounds coming from different directions, cats can simply rotate their ears up to 180 degrees, thanks to the 32 muscles in each ear. This incredible flexibility allows them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound without moving their heads at all. If a mouse is scurrying through the grass, a cat can detect its movements with pinpoint accuracy just by adjusting its ears. This feature also helps them communicate. When a cat flattens its ears backward, it signals aggression or fear, while forward-facing ears indicate curiosity and attentiveness. Cats are also highly sensitive to even the slightest variations in sound. Unlike humans, who need a sound to be significantly louder before noticing a difference, cats can detect minuscule changes in volume and pitch. This makes them excellent at distinguishing between different sounds in their environment, such as the specific tone of their owner's voice, the rustling of prey, or even the unique sounds of approaching footsteps. This acute sensitivity also explains why cats can sometimes appear skittish. Loud or sudden noises can be overwhelming to them because they experience sound in a much more intense way than we do. A vacuum cleaner or a door slamming shut might not seem like much to us, but to a cat, it could feel as intense as a thunderclap. Another amazing aspect of cat hearing is that they are born deaf. Unlike humans, who are born with functional hearing, kittens enter the world with their ear canals sealed shut, making them completely unable to hear for the first week or 2 of life. Their hearing starts developing around the 2nd week and continues to sharpen as they grow. By the time a kitten reaches about 3 weeks old, its hearing has fully developed, and it becomes one of the most important senses they rely on. This rapid development is essential for their survival, as it allows them to detect danger, recognize their mother's calls, and begin exploring the world around them with confidence. Finally, one of the most surprising facts about cat hearing is their ability to selectively ignore sounds. Cat owners often joke that their feline companions have selective hearing. For example, they might completely ignore their name being called but come running the moment they hear the sound of a treat bag being opened. This isn't just stubbornness, it's actually an evolutionary adaptation. Cats are hardwired to focus on sounds that are important for their survival, such as high-frequency noises associated with prey, the calls of their kittens, or the sound of food being prepared. Other sounds, including human voices, often don't register in the same way. This ability to filter out unnecessary noise helps cats conserve energy and avoid distractions, making them more efficient hunters and more independent creatures. Cat hearing is truly a marvel of nature, allowing them to navigate their world with an incredible level of awareness. Whether it's detecting ultrasonic sounds, independently rotating their ears, pinpointing the softest noises, developing their hearing after birth, or selectively tuning in to what matters, felines possess one of the most advanced auditory systems in the animal kingdom. It's just one of the many reasons why cats remain endlessly fascinating and mysterious companions to humans.